Nan, there's something I need to tell you. I've been wanting to get one done for ages and now I finally plucked up the courage to do it. People say there's more work around, but I don't see it. Plaid want to create jobs for young people and increase the minimum wage to one people can actually live on. They got solid ideas to get Wales working again, and that's what we need right now, not more cuts. When the dust settles after the election, I want to know there's someone in the House of Commons speaking up for us. And I know the only candidate that'll really do that is Plaid, the Party of Wales.
Have you ever thought about backing the Party of Wales? Why not make 2015 the year that you do it? Plaid Cymru, the only party standing up for Wales.